Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what global picklist value sets are and how to create a global picklist value set. Simply, we're going to go into setup, and in this quick find box, we're going to search for picklist, and as you can see, picklist value sets. Click on this. There are no global value sets for as of now, so let's change that. Let's create a new one. In this example, let's say we want to create a global value set containing the names of countries that we do business with. And let's just say there are 4 countries in the world that we do business with, and we want to create a global picklist field. So wherever we want to store information regarding the countries we sell to, we can use this global picklist value set, and we will not have to manually create picklist field values all the time. So let's just say country. It'll automatically populate the name, and let's just say Canada, USA, Brazil, and Mexico. These are the 4 countries we sell to, and we want to display it in this order, so I'm not going to check this box, and we don't want to save any default value, so I'm not going to check this box either, and I'm going to hit save. Now, as you can see, our new global picklist value set named country is saved, and the values it has is Canada, USA, Brazil, and Mexico. We can add new values to it. Let's say we now start doing business with another country. So we can simply click on new, and let's just say we start doing business with France. Or let's say we start doing business with France and Germany. So we have 2 new countries. We're going to check this box. This has to do with which record types this value should be relevant to. Since we will be covering this up later in this course in some later videos. So for now, I'm just going to check this box. This would simply mean that these 2 values should be reflected in every kind of records wherever we use this global set. I'm going to hit save. And see, we can see France and Germany. Now, if we wish to reorder our pick list, let's say we want Germany to be on the top, I'm going to click on reorder, and we're going to bring Germany to the top, and we want the USA to be the second. And this is the format we want to see. We can choose a default value, but we don't want to. We do not want to display them alphabetically either. So I'm just going to hit save. There we have it. Our pick list value set is now saved. Now let's learn about how to use this. Now let's go to our object manager. Go to our suppliers object. We can go into any object, but for now I'm just going to go into our suppliers object. I'm going to go into fields and relationships. Click new. Pick list type field. Click next. Say supplier country. Use global pick list value set, and we choose our value set. So our value set was named country, so we're going to choose country, and everything, let's leave everything else as it is. Click next. Make this visible to everyone. Click next. We want this to show up in our user interface on our page layout, so we're going to keep this box checked and click save. And right here we have our new picklist value with the picklist global picklist values of our 6 countries that we had initially named. Now if we go back and if we refresh this page, so we can see on an existing record, the supplier country field now pops up. And if we want to try and edit this, we click on the pencil icon, and right here we can see all our countries in the order that we set them: Germany, USA, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, and France. So for now, let's just say I want to choose USA and I hit save right here. We saved our supplier. Our supplier is Verizon. They're a distributor type. This is their email, and this is the country that they sell to. So that's how we use global picklist value sets. Thank you, everyone. That'll be all.